Welcome back everyone to our YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be working on the FJ45 again. We're doing a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna be welding some more to the roof and to the back of the cab. Now first we're gonna crank it up and take it to the other side of the building. So let's start. Okay. HFI. Okay guys, so we got the truck to the new work site, so now we're gonna start welding with the roof. Okay guys, so since they are painting the roof, I'm gonna start welding with the floor. Hey guys, so we welded the floor pan somehow, finished. Still have some work to do, some cleaning up, and he's cleaning the roof and the hood, along with the front of the cab, the fender stuff. So the plan today is we're gonna try to epoxy the front end and the bare metal stuff with the epoxy primer, which is a sealant. It seals the metal from the
surroundings.
surroundings, so it won't rust anymore, and if there's some rust, it will stop the rust from developing even more. So now, just as a bonus for this video, we're gonna give you a cold start of the E30, or try to anyway. If you haven't noticed yet, this car needs a lot of body work and interior work as well. But we're gonna just try to finish the FJ45 first, or at least accomplish some stuff before we get a lot of projects together. We have financial problem with that and we have no time. So one project after the other.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna start the process of laying down some epoxy on the roof, the hood and the two front fenders. So let's get started. So guys, we cleaned the panels with air and dust and grease remover. Now we're mixing up the epoxy resin, as you guys see.
Okay guys, no, wait a second, I know you missed me. Don't worry, I'm back. So we got this roof epoxied from the inside. We still have to flip it around and do the outer side, along with this hood. Also the inside of the hood is done. Now we're gonna epoxy the outer side, and where the metal was exposed on these fenders, we also landed some epoxy on them too. So now I'm gonna be mixing some more for the roof and the other side of the roof and the roof. Oh yeah, I'm back. Okay guys, so we've reached the end of this video. We accomplished a lot today, as you can see, as you saw, as you will see in the next video. We're gonna be welding some more on the floor pan. We're gonna start the body work, which consists of smashing some putty on the parts that are ready. So catch you next time. Peace.